And also, for more on China's economic performance, we're joined in studio by my colleague Liu Jiaxin on some key economic data from 2024. Jiaxin, just take it away.
Okay, thank you, Hona. Over the past week, many departments have released important data on China's economic development in 2024. Let's look at imports and exports first. Well, China has become a major trading partner of more than 150 countries and regions. In 2024, China's total import and export value reached a record high of 43.85 trillion yuan, or nearly $6 trillion. This is a year-on-year increase of 5%, where imports and exports increased by 7.1% and 2.3%. In the first 11 months of the year, service imports and exports increased 14.2% year-on-year, and travel service exports increased 1.5 times. In terms of financial support, the People's Bank of China implemented 4 major monetary policy adjustments in 2024. Last year, the statutory deposit reserve ratio was reduced by 1 percentage point twice, and the central bank's policy interest rate was reduced by 0.3 percentage points twice, the largest downward adjustment in recent years. Structurally, People's Bank of China has increased its support in key areas. For example, a $68 billion reloan for scientific and technological innovation and technological transformation was established. The People's Bank of China also launched over $40 billion of affordable housing reloans, canceled the lower limit of mortgage interest rate policy, and reduced the borrowers' mortgage rate interest expenses by about $20 billion. The Ministry of Finance is also stepping up efforts to implement stock policies and incremental policies. The Ministry of Finance arranged over $20 billion worth of ultra-long-term special treasury bond funds in the second half of the year to promote consumption and support the replacement of old consumer goods with new ones. $1.6 trillion policy funds were allocated to help local governments ease debt repayment pressure. The Market Supervision Department deepened fair competition governance in key areas, accelerated the construction of a unified national market, and increased the consumer rights protection. Consumers' economic losses were recovered by over $640 million, a year-on-year increase of 17.1%. In the first 11 months of 2024, the total retail sales of consumer goods increased by 3.5% year-on-year. In the first 11 months, the retail sales of service consumption increased by 6.4%. More than 52,000 new foreign-funded enterprises were established from January to November, bringing over $102 billion of foreign investment. Well, these data certainly shows how China's economy grew steadily on the path toward high-quality development in 2024. That's all for me. Back to you both.